How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over the features of our new dual memory K-Force tow light bars. So for example here, I'm using our K-Force 55 TIR tow light bar, and I'll be using my optional Supreme control box. So on my Supreme control box, I have my slide switch here. Now the first position will activate the back of my light bar. So this is the back of my light bar here. The second position will activate the front of my light bar. And the third position will activate my light bar in 360 mode. And then you also have your mode button here where you have two flash pattern memories. So in mode 2, which I have activated here with my mode button, I have a different flash pattern programmed. And that works whether I'm in 360 mode, my front flashing, or back flashing modes. And I can easily go back to my mode 1 by deactivating my mode button there. And then here you have your pattern changer where you can use to cycle through your different flash patterns on your light bar. And then here you have your TD, alley, and cruise functions. So I'll go ahead and activate those here. And then those work while your light bar is flashing, or you can activate those buttons independently as well. And then you'll notice, since this is a tow light bar, when I activate my alley button, that I do have my two additional rear work lights as well, since this is a tow light bar. And those will come included with your tow light bar. And then here I have my aux button. Now you'll notice on your cable harness that you have a cable coming off of here with a red lead and a blue lead, and that's your secondary power and ground for your aux button. Now for example here I hooked up a Z6 TIR in amber, and you'll see I can activate that unit on or off. And you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your aux switch here on your optional Supreme control box. And then moving down here you have your traffic advising functions. So you'll have center out, you have left right, and right left there. So you can easily activate those, and again those operate while your light bar is flashing, or you can activate those independently if you would like to. And then since this is a tow light bar, you'll also have your stop tail turn functionality. So you'll notice a cable harness coming off of your cables here, and then you'll have your yellow cable, which will activate both of your modules in the back there, your red modules. Then you'll have your red cable, which will activate your left module. And then you'll have your black cable that will activate your right module. So you can hook up your stop tail turn functionality for your vehicle. And then finally, on our optional Supreme control box, you will also have your night mode here. Now you can activate your night mode via button, which will activate the red backlight LEDs. And then when you activate a function, that button will light up blue and override the red backlight functionality there. So you can have that extra backlight if you need to. And you can either activate your night mode via button here, or you'll also see a white cable coming off of your cable harness, and you can hook this up to your power, and then you'll see that that will activate your red backlight LEDs as well. Now if you use the white cable, that will deactivate your button functionality on your switch box. So you can either use the button on your switch box, or you can use the white cable to hardwire your night mode to your headlight switch, for example. So you'll see here with your additive tow features such as your rear work lights, your stop tail turn functionality, your dual memory paired with your night mode, and your aux button as well, that this light bar would be perfect for any amber warning application. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.